Welcome. Take a slow breath in and let it float gently out. This is your time to unwind, to settle, and to let the day melt softly away. As you relax, imagine yourself wrapped in a warm, quiet space where nothing is rushed and everything is peaceful. You don't need to do anything right now, except listen, breathe, and drift. Tonight, I'll tell you a gentle story, a calming tale designed to guide your mind into stillness and help you drift slowly, comfortably, into deep and restful sleep. When you're ready, let's begin. The Lantern of the Last Forest, a sleep story. In a quiet corner of the world, far beyond the places marked on any map, there was a forest that never hurried. The trees grew tall and patient, their leaves whispering secrets in breezes that felt like soft sighs. Animals walked its winding paths with unhurried paws, and even the rivers drifted like they were half dreaming. At the heart of this forest lived a girl named Leora, the keeper of the lantern. Her task was simple, yet magical. Each night she lit a single glowing lantern that hung from a silver branch in the center clearing. When the lantern glowed, the forest fell into a deep, peaceful slumber. One evening, as the sky turned lavender and the first stars stretched awake, Leora stepped into the clearing, with her lantern held gently against her chest. But tonight felt different. The forest was unusually still. The trees seemed to be holding their breath. Leora placed the lantern on its silver hook, but just as she reached for her flint to spark it alive, a soft voice floated through the clearing. "Wait," it whispered. Leora turned to see a small creature stepping out from behind a fern. It was no taller than her knee, with fur like moonlight and eyes like tiny shimmering lakes. It bowed. "I'm Orin," the creature said. "I've come for help." Leora knelt down. "Help? From me?" Orin nodded. "The lantern's light helps your forest sleep, but beyond the ridge, where my village lies, our dreams have grown restless. We need a spark of your lantern, just a single flicker, to bring peace back to our nights." Leora glanced at the lantern, quiet and unlit. No keeper had ever shared its light, yet Orin's eyes carried the weariness of sleepless nights. She felt a gentle tug at her heart. "Then we'll bring it to your village," she said softly. Together they lifted the lantern from its branch and walked through the forest paths. The trees bowed above them, parting gracefully. The moon rose higher, casting a silver road ahead. After a while, they reached the ridge. From the top, Leora saw Orin's village, nestled in a soft dip of the land, tiny homes, shaped like curled leaves, each one dim and still. "Hold it high," Orin whispered. Leora raised the lantern. Though it had not yet been lit, a faint glow bloomed from within, warm, golden, like a sleepy sun waking from a long nap. The glow spread outward in slow waves, drifting over the village like a comforting breath. One by one, lights flickered inside each home. Sleepy murmurs rose, soft as feathers. Peace, gentle and quiet, settled over the valley. Leora smiled. It shared its light on its own. "That's what light does," Orin said. "When needed, it knows." They returned to the clearing. Leora hung the lantern on its silver branch, and this time, when she touched the flint to it, the lantern lit instantly brighter and calmer than ever before. The glow washed through the forest. Leaves softened, rivers hushed, and every creature from owls to crickets felt their eyelids grow heavy. Orin bowed deeply. "Thank you. Sleep well, keeper." Leora nodded, settling onto a patch of moss as the lantern's warmth wrapped around her like a blanket. She closed her eyes, listening to the slow rhythm of the forest, drifting into dreams. And as the final ember of daylight faded, the lantern of the last forest glowed steady and serene, keeping watch over all who slept beneath its gentle light.